Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your PNB account is active and your registered mobile number receives SMS. Next, access net banking via the official PNB site or app. Use customer ID, CIF, or debit card details for login. Once done, request an OTP and enter it promptly. Delays cause expiry. If SMS fails, try email OTP or a secondary phone number. These immediate checks speed troubleshooting and prevent being locked out early in the process. Now focus on the complex middle steps. If login fails, use the password reset flow with customer ID and the OTP sent to your registered mobile. Create a strong password. Make sure cookies are enabled and disable VPN or proxy because PNB blocks unfamiliar regions. For transaction problems, check beneficiary activation and re-register the beneficiary. Relink your device in the app by generating a new IPIN or MPIN. These actions resolve most authentication and payment failures. Finish by confirming a successful login and perform a small test transfer, for example Rupee1, to verify payment flow. Once confirmed, enable transaction alerts and save your net banking profile settings. If problems persist, contact PNB Customer Care, provide CIF, customer ID, timestamps, and error codes. Ask for a case reference. For stubborn errors, request a branch-level reset or whitelist your IP. A final tip: keep screenshots and SMS logs. These speed up resolution when you escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.